Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So children, today we are going to learn new special number 11. So we are going to make a group of number 11. So are you ready for your maths class? Okay. So children, I have taken pebbles with me and these are exactly 11 pebbles. बच्चों, आप अपने घर से कोई भी स्मॉल थिंग्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं ग्रुप बनाने के लिए. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप राजमा सीड्स, चना सीड्स, सम स्टोन्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Whatever things you have in your house, you have to use. So first, I will make one group of 10. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here I got one group. So now whenever we get one group, that will be special number. So now we are going to circle around it. Okay, here I got one group. Whenever we get only one group, that will be a special number. Okay, now we are going to put one more pebbles over here. Okay, now let's see. It's 1 tens and 1 ones. That means it is called 11. Whenever you see 1 tens and 1 ones, it will be called 11. बच्चों, हमें इसी तरह से सबसे पहले 1 10 का ग्रुप बनाना है. फिर हमें 1 ones हमें यहाँ पर रखना है. That means it is 1 tens and 1 ones. So we have written here 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 tens and 1 ones. That means it is called 11. So now children, take out your maths square notebook and open the page. So children, you have to make a group in your notebook. You have to draw a small circles. First you have to make a group of number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now you have to circle around it like this. Now it is a group of 1 10. And this is 1 ones, 1 tens and 1 ones. बच्चों, आपको इसी तरह से अपनी कॉपी में 11 नंबर का ग्रुप बनाना है. So now we have to written over here 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 tens and 1 ones. That means it is called 11. 11. So now take out your workbook activity book and open the page number 40. So now children, we have to write here 1 tens and 1 ones 11. बच्चों, हम ग्रुप बनाने के साथ साथ अब हम लिखना भी सीखेंगे. So now you have to start from the dot. 1 ten and 1 ones 11. 1 tens and 1 one 11. 1 tens and 1 ones 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 11. So children, you have to write down the whole page like this. बच्चों, आपको इसी तरह से पूरा पेज कंप्लीट करना है. आप इसी तरह से बोलकर लिखेंगे. You have to say 1 tens and 1 ones 11. I hope children you have understood this work. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.